Most parents are told the smart move is opening a 529 college plan for their kid. But here's the problem no one tells you. 529 only works if your child goes to college, and only if the money is used for tuition. If they don't, you could get hit with taxes, penalties, and regret. Now, imagine instead of locking your money into one narrow box, you gave your child a financial engine that could, number one, pay for college tax-free if they choose that path. Number two, fund a first home, wedding, or business launch in their 20s. Or number three, even grow into a retirement plan worth millions, delivering 6 figures a year, tax-free for life. One strategy, one policy, options for every stage of their future. It's not a 529 plan, it's not a Roth, and it's not gambling on Wall Street. It's a properly structured IUL for kids. And when you see the numbers, you'll never look at the college savings the same way again. Hello, I'm Robert Balgach, founder and CEO of Black Swan Insurance Group. And since 2017, we have helped over 20,000 families build advanced tax-free retirement strategies and protect their families' legacies, earning hundreds of 5-star reviews along the way. At Black Swan, we don't pitch cookie-cutter policies. We design custom blueprints to give parents and high-income professionals predictable, tax-free income and flexibility the IRS cannot touch, and the Wall Street can't wipe out. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how an IUL for kids actually works, the mechanics behind tax-free growth with a 0% floor, the real math of contributing $250 a month at birth, then scaling up as your child grows, and how that sets him up for life. So let's break it down. In Malcolm Gladwell's best-selling book, Outliers, he uncovered something fascinating about Canadian hockey players. The best ones, the stars who made the national teams, weren't always the most talented. They just had one hidden advantage: their birthdays. Most of the elites were born in January, February, or March. Why? Because youth hockey used January 1st as the cutoff date. And those kids were the oldest in their group, a little taller, a little stronger, a little more confident. And that tiny edge at age 8 compounded every year. More ice time, better coaching, stronger confidence. And by the time they were 18, that small early advantage had snowballed into a massive gap. Now, here's the question every parent should ask. What if money works the exact same way? The earlier you give your child a financial advantage, the more it compounds, not just for college, but for every stage of their life. And that's where most families get trapped with the 529 plan. Sure, it pays for tuition. But if your child takes a different path, then what? That advantage disappears, and you're left with penalties and taxes. But with a properly structured IUL, you're not just paying for 4 years of school. You're creating a lifelong system that compounds, funding college, down payment for the first home, even tax-free income in retirement. Just like those January-born hockey players, your child gets a head start that keeps paying off year after year, decade after decade. So how does an IUL for kids actually work? Think of it like building a house for your child's financial future. The foundation is growth linked to a market index, like the S&P 500. Your money isn't invested in the market, so it's never at risk in a Wall Street casino. Instead, the insurance company credits interest based on how the index performs. So if the market goes up 8%, your child's account gets 8%. If the market soars 20%, you might be capped at, let's say, 10 to 12%. And the walls are protection. When the market crashes, whether it's another 2008 or 2020 style meltdown, your child's account doesn't lose a dime. The worst case scenario is a flat year, 0%. That's why we call it zero is your hero. And here's the beauty. Every gain locks in forever. It's like climbing a mountain with a ratchet strap. Every time you move up, you lock it in. Even if the weather turns and everyone else slides backwards, your child stays right where they are, secure, safe, still holding the gains. Now compare that to a 529 plan. That's like climbing the same mountain without ropes. The view is great on the way up until the storm hits, and suddenly you're sliding 30, 40% down the cliff right before tuition is due. That's why an IUL for kids isn't just about returns. It's about giving your child growth with guardrail. So every step they take is protected, and every advantage compounds for life. Let me paint you a picture. You can start with just $250 a month. That's about what most families spend on streaming services, Starbucks runs, and a couple of DoorDash orders. From the day your child is born until they graduate college in 22, you fund this plan. By then, you put in about $60,000 total. Nothing crazy. But here's the magic. By the time your child hits 22, this account is strong enough to provide a $160,000 tax-free loan. And that's not a typo. $116,000. That's enough to cover 4 years of tuition at a good university, without you draining savings or your kids signing their life away on student loans. Most kids graduate with a cap, a gown, and a pile of loans. Yours, they walk across the stage debt-free and already holding the keys to a lifelong financial engine. And hopefully, fingers crossed, they don't move back into your basement to eat your food and binge watch Netflix on your account. No, they're going to get a real job, start earning real money, and finally begin building their own future. At this stage, they can step up and fund their IUL contributions to $500 a month from age 22 to 40. That's about the cost of skipping Starbucks lattes and driving a car with cloth seats instead of leather. Manageable. Then by the age 40, they're in their peak earning years. Doctors, attorneys, engineers, small business owners. And that's when they can crank it up to $1,000 a month until the age 60. And here's where the payoff begins. While their friends are still riding the Wall Street roller coaster, watching their 401k swing up and down with every headline, your child's account has quietly grown into a multi-million-dollar machine. That means your child could retire 5 years earlier than most people with a 6-figure income stream that IRS cannot touch, while still leaving behind a built-in death benefit for their family. That's not just retirement, that's freedom on their terms. Think about that. $250 a month while they're growing up, $500 a month while they're building their career, and $1,000 a month at their peak. And instead of hoping the market cooperates, they retire early, tax-free certainty, with a built-in death benefit for their family, and a financial engine they will never outlive. That's not just a college plan, that's a legacy plan. And it all started with the same $250 a month most people spend on their monthly phone bills. Most parents only know one play to save for college. Open up a 529 plan. On paper, it sounds great. Put money in, let it grow tax deferred, and if it's used for tuition, it comes out tax-free. But here's the problem no one talks about. It's a one-trick pony. So if your child doesn't go to college, or they get a full scholarship, that money isn't flexible. You're staring at taxes and penalties just to touch it. It can hurt financial aid because a 529 plan is treated as a parental asset. It often reduces how much grant money or aid your child can receive. It's exposed to the market. Imagine saving faithfully for 18 years, only to watch a market crash wipe out 30% of your balance the summer before freshman year. That's not hypothetical. Has happened before many times. Now, compare that to an IUL. You have total flexibility. You can pay for college, yes, but also a down payment on the first home, a wedding, starting a business, or better yet, 6 figures a year in tax-free retirement income. No penalties, no restriction. Financial aid friendly. Because it's life insurance, it's often not counted the same as 529 on financial aid forms, meaning your child could actually qualify for more help. Protected growth. With a 0% floor, if the market crashes, your child loses nothing. Every gain they've already locked in stays intact. Think about it like this. A 529 is like buying a plane ticket to one destination only, college town. If your child wants to go anywhere else, sorry, you pay fees and penalties. But in IUL, that's like a private jet. It doesn't just go to one airport. It goes wherever life takes your child. College, career, first home, or retire. One option versus every option. That's the difference. One of the most powerful and misunderstood features of an IUL for kids is liquidity. With most accounts, the rules are brutal. You put money in, and when you take it out, your balance goes down. Simple, but painful. In IUL flips that script. Picture this. Your child has built up $100,000 in cash value by the time they hit their 20s, and they need $20,000 for tuition. With a 529 plan, you withdraw it, and just like that, your balance drops to $80,000. Game over. With an IUL, it's different. You don't pull the money out. You take a policy loan. So the insurance company fronts the $20,000 using your cash value as collateral. And your $100,000, it stays right where it is, still compounding, still growing as if the money never left. That's like borrowing money from your own vault while your vault keeps paying you interest in the background. Let me put it another way. A 529 is like draining your gas tank to pay for the trip. Once it's gone, it's gone. An IUL is like tapping into a reserve fuel line. Your car keeps moving forward while the main tank stays full. And here's where it gets even better. The IRS doesn't treat these loans as income. That means your child can borrow for college, down payment for a house, and even seed money for their first business, tax-free. I had a client's one joke. So my kid basically has their own private bank by the time they graduate. The answer is yes. That's exactly what it is. A personal, tax-free bank that grows with them for life. Now, I know what you're probably thinking. This all sounds great, but what does it actually look like for my family? And that's the exact question I keep hearing. So we built something for you. It's called IUL Custom GPT. It's a free AI-powered assistant trained on everything we teach here. You plug in your age, your budget, your goals, and in less than 60 seconds, it shows you what a custom plan could possibly look like. Tax-free college funding, six-figure retirement income, or even the legacy you could leave behind. Think of it as your own private strategist available 24/7 without a jargon, the fine print, or the pushy sales pitch. And the link is right below the video. You can try it anytime. And stick with me because in a moment, I'll answer all of the most frequently asked questions about kids' IULs. Do premiums go up as my child gets older? No. You lock in their cost of insurance at the youngest age possible. That's why starting early is such a game changer. You're freezing their health and age at the same time. If the money grows tax deferred, when do we actually pay taxes? That's a great question. So as long as the policy is structured properly and never becomes a mech, withdrawals to basis and policy loans are tax-free. That's the whole advantage. Your child gets liquidity without triggering IRSing. What if my child doesn't go to college? That's the beauty of it. Unlike a 529 plan, you're not boxed in. You can use this money for down payment on a home, to start a business, or to keep compounding it until retirement. No penalties, no restriction. Can grandparents fund one too? Absolutely. Grandparents can own and fund policies on grandchildren all the time. It's actually a powerful legacy move, transferring wealth tax-free across generations. What happens if the parent dies before the child is grown? That's why we set up a successor owner. The policy stays in force, and your child keeps all the benefits, no disruption. What if the market crashes? With a 0% floor, the worst year your child will ever see 0% interest. They don't lose a dime. That's why we like to say, zero is your hero. These are kind of questions I hear every day, and the answers are always the same. When designed properly, an IUL isn't just a savings plan. It's a flexible, lifelong wealth engine. Now, let's be crystal clear. No strategy is perfect. An IUL is powerful, but only if you understand the fine print, fees and costs. Yes, there are fees. Every life insurance policy has the fees. The difference is, with an IUL, you minimize them by designing the policy with the lowest debt benefit the IRS allows by, and by max funding it for cash value. If it's done right, the long-term growth can far outweigh the costs. Done wrong, it can bleed the policy dry. Caps and participation rates. With most of the indexes, your gains are subject to a cap, usually 10 to 12%. And the participation rate is set by the insurance company. That means in a huge market boom, you won't capture every percent. But in exchange, you get something the market will never give you, a 0% floor. And zero beats negative 30 any day of the week. Surrender charges. IULs are designed for the long game. If you cancel it in the first 10 to 15 years, surrender charges can eat into your value. That's why this isn't a quick flip. It's a structure that pays off over decades. Not months. MEC trap. Overfund too aggressively, and you cross the IRS line into what's called a MEC, modified endowment contract. If that happens, loans lose their tax retreat. The solution? Work with someone who actually understands IRS code 7702A and structures your policy to ride the line without crossing. So yes, there are risks, but here's the key. If you chase hype and underfund, you'll be disappointed. If you design it properly, overfund consistently, and manage it wisely, this becomes one of the most flexible tax advantage tools you can give your child. And remember, it's not a magic wand, it's a system. Built right, it's a system your child will thank you every single stage of their life. So let's fast forward. Your child is grown. Their friends are staring at the student loan balances that feel like a second mortgage. But your child, they graduate debt-free. In their 20s and 30s, while their peers are chasing credit card limits and scrambling to save down for a down payment, your child already has access to 6 figures of cash value, their own private bank, ready to fund the first home, launch a small business, or cover life's curveballs without begging a bank. By 40, they're in their prime earning years, and instead of drowning in a 401k tax trap, their IUL has quietly snowballed into a multi-million-dollar engine. And here's the part that gives most parents goosebumps. By age 60, they can walk away from work 5 years early with a $170,000 tax-free income stream for life. Not hope, not maybe, not if the market cooperates, predictable, private, tax-free. Meanwhile, their peers are still clinging to Wall Street roller coasters, praying their 401k survive another crash, or crossing fingers that Congress doesn't double their tax bill. And when your child's story finally comes full circle, this plan doesn't just disappear. It leaves behind a 7-figure legacy for their family. A permanent reminder that you didn't just save for 4 years of tuition. You built a structure that changed the trajectory of their entire life. And their children's lives too. That's the power of an IUL. It's not just a college plan, it's a freedom plan. It's a legacy plan. And it all started with the same $250 a month most families spend on Starbucks and takeout. So let's quickly recap what you've seen today. With as little as $250 per month, you can give your child a plan that pays for college tax-free. By 22, they could access over $116,000 without ever touching outside loans. By 40, their plan has grown into a multi-million-dollar engine that works like their own private bank. And by 60, they can walk away from work 5 years early with over $170,000 per year in tax-free retirement income, plus a built-in 7-figure legacy for their family. That's not a college fund, that's a life plan. So here are your next steps. If you want to see exactly how this could work for your family, book a private session with me and my team at taxfreewealthblueprint.com. The link is right below. Or if you're kind of a parent who wants to go deeper, check out my next video on how to max fund an IUL. So you can see the advanced strategy the top 1% use to build tax-free wealth. Either way, don't just hope your child's future works out. Design it, build it, protect it. And remember, it's not what you earn, it's what you keep. Enjoy the ride.